Hey folks, welcome to my channel Susuritas. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade organic rose hydrosol or rose water. So let's see what we need. We need a large vessel. It should be deep bottomed. So it can be any vessel, so I prefer steel. A small cup. We need a heat resistant containers. So I'm using a glass cup. You can also use a steel one if you have. Next, here comes the main ingredient, organic dried rose petals. You can make your own using fresh rose petals. I've explained it all in my blog. So if not, you can definitely purchase it online. 4 cups of rose petals yields about half a cup of hydrosol. If you want more, then you can add more in a large vessel. So next I'm using the distilled water. So distilled water is nothing but the rainwater. I always prefer distilled water because if you use tap water or any other water, it might have some chemicals or some minerals in it, which is not safe for skin. So definitely use only distilled water, or you can also collect some rainwater when it's raining outside and use it for your beauty DIYs. Now I'm placing a large bowl on top of the small cup that we already placed inside. I'm using steel here. You can also use ceramic or any heat resistant bowls. So I'm placing a lid with the holder on top of the large bowl. It's important that you have the holder with the lid because it collects the steam, that is the hydrosol, and it drops it into the bowl that we see here. I've already switched on the stove and I've kept it under low flame. So too much heat will destroy the properties of the rose petals and also kills the scent. So we don't need that. So always maintain a very low temperature because we need the hydrosol to have a strong rose scent. So now you see the steam coming out. I've kept it under low flame. It's been about 15 minutes now. Now I'm going to place the ice cubes on top of the lid. The ice cubes not only reduces the temperature of the hydrosol but also converts the steam into liquid. So that liquid is what is hydrosol, and now it's collected in the bowl. We already have a few drops. Always have a gap between the bowl and the lid, because if they are sticking together, the hydrosol or the vapor will not be collected properly. So the vapors are forming and it's dropping down to the bowl. So it's easy this way. If they are sticking together, it will not be collected properly and it tends to fall in the bottom. I was having a steel bowl previously. Now I changed it because the lid and the bowl were sticking to each other. Now it's working fine. So the bowl should always be below the vessel. The drops are being collected. I'm maintaining about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm keeping the ice cubes on top of it for the drops to be collected a bit faster. It cools down the temperature of the hydrosol and it keeps the dried rose petals still fresh, and it smells lovely. My whole house was filled with the rose scent. The whole process takes about 2 hours, so please be patient and always maintain about 120 degrees Fahrenheit at all times. Keep it under low flame. Now I see the ice already melted. I'm going to wait for a couple of minutes more and then change it. Ice is all melted. I'm going to discard this water and refill it with a new bag of ice. And once again, the ice is all melted. I'm going to discard the water. This is how the hydrosol looks. I have about half a cup of hydrosol. It smells so lovely. This is how it will look at the end. The color is from the dried rose petals. It's so beautiful and the hydrosol smells amazing. So you have to discard all this. This is hydrosol and discard all the remains. Now I'm going to use the isopropyl alcohol to clean the spray bottle. I'm going to pour the hydrosol in a spray bottle. Clean everything. It's a beauty product, so it's important that you do this process to keep the germs and the bacteria away. Clean it thoroughly. Now I'm using a funnel. I've also cleaned the funnel using the isopropyl alcohol. Using a funnel, pour the hydrosol into the spray bottle. The color is so beautiful. It's a golden color. It smells so amazing. Wait for it to cool down a little bit and then it'll smell so good. Beautiful color, beautiful smell. It's all homemade, it's natural and organic. Now don't forget to label it. Homemade organic rose water, and also make a note of the date. It's really important. It smells lovely and looks beautiful. Homemade organic rose water is all ready. Do try it at home and leave a comment. See you in another episode. Thank you. Visit my blog and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family. Bye bye.